Hi and good evening. Today we are going to teach you how to set up the Nginx server with the domain or subdomain, connect it, and after that install the Let's Encrypt SSL on it with auto renewal. So in first step we need to connect the server. Let me connect again. This is my test server. It's connecting. Okay, I am logged in. Now I'm connecting my putty. So first I'm typing the password. Okay, so first sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. It's already upgraded. So now we are going to install the step-by-step. First one is Nginx. So let's click sudo apt install Nginx. Click Y. Yes. Okay, Nginx is installing now. Okay, that's it. Now second step, connecting domain to the web server. So I have a domain on GoDaddy, so I have put DNS on it. So I have set up the viewer, this link viewer on this IP. This is my server IP which I have connected. Currently the website is not working. Yeah, I have installed the Nginx and my domain is pointed to the web server, so it's showing the default page. Okay, so now minimize it. Now let's connect that. Let's set up the domain in the Nginx. So I have already put my domain. You can replace this domain one with your own. So I have set up the subdomain. So first of all, copy this command, click it, yes, complete. After that, give the permission to the exact directory. Done. Now give permission to the www directory also. It's now this is the HTML file we are creating in the domain directory. Click on it. Just like we're typing, this is a test file. Domain is working. Control O, enter. Okay, and now again we need to create the configuration default Nginx file. Click it. Okay, so this is the code which I have already set up it. I have just copied it and copy this code. In this code, the major thing is you have put the server name like our domain name is, and here two major things you must need to replace, otherwise the domain will not work. So I have right click here, paste all detail here, Control O again, enter, Control X. Okay, that's fine. Now we need to enable our domain. Control C, enter. Now we are checking the default directory is working or not. Nginx configuration we have done is working or not. Yeah, it's successful. Now we need to restart the Nginx. Yeah, it's restarted. Clear. Let's check that our default working or not. See, this is the test file, domain is working. Okay, now we need to add the custom HTML file, just again confirming. So we need to edit this one, index file, nano, copy this command, paste in the putty. This is the domain, so just remove all this code, and I'm copying this one. Yeah, this one home. This is the I have sample code found on the GitHub. just copy and paste it here. Okay, Control O and then Control X to write it. Now again need to check the domain is working. You see this website is coming soon. It's mean our domain is connected 100% with server and it's working. Now the last step is we need to install the Let's Encrypt SSL on it with auto renewal. So wait for the next video. We will guide you how to install the Let's Encrypt on the server. Thank you.